Hey everybody, Steve Tristan here, and I'd like to show you how to measure a window frame for a retractable window screen, okay? It's going to mount on the inside of window frame here, just like this. What you're gonna do is you're gonna measure the width by height, okay? Real simple. I need my trusty glass, okay? So, first you start at the top, the width. You'll measure here. This is a 34 1/4. And you're going to do the opening. So that's the true measurement, 34 1/4. And then I'm going to go down to the middle area, double check if that works there as well. Yes, it does. And also the bottom. Oh, it's a little tighter. So it's 34 1/8. So you're going to go with the smallest opening. Okay, so it's 34 1/8, almost 34 inches. So, I mean, I feel comfortable doing this one at 34 inches. So that's at the width. And then the height, you're going to measure, same thing, 3 spots. Right, 58 inches. Okay, if I double check that, it's at the back, but I'll double check it at the front, it's 58 1/8, but at the back, it is 58 inches, okay? Middle, 58 inches, 58 1/16, but we'll go with the smallest, it's 58 1/4 on this side. Okay, so I do feel more comfortable with the 58 inches on the right-hand side. Okay, so. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. And catch you guys next time. And give it a thumbs up, okay? Take care. Bye.
Don't forget to order your screen door at bestcustomscreens.com. Catch you guys next time. Bye.